Hi, everybody. Welcome to MN-113 Power Transmission. I'm Mark Stoll, and I'm going to be helping you out this semester. As you know, this is an online course, so most of the stuff is going to be very, very self-directed this semester. So, whatever it takes to get it done, it's kind of in your hands, but I'm here to help because I do work for you guys. You guys are paying me to help you along the way. So any questions that you have, please feel free to email me, and I will show you all the links here. Here's the Blackboard setup here. The first thing right there goes syllabus and the schedule. So we're going to go over the syllabus real quick. So if I do the right button and so we're going to go full screen. And so this is what it looks like here. So right there is my number. If you need to contact me, please, before you try to text me, please just send it to the email. I try to do it like once a day. Being adjunct, I can't do a lot of stuff during the day. And it really just, I don't want to make it look like I'm not, texting you back right away or taking calls, because it just it's busy enough during the day, if you know what I mean. You guys, a lot of you guys have jobs already and know all of the rigors of the day. So but anyway, so if you need an office appointment or any kind of meeting or any kind of needs that you have, just let me know. And for the most part, we can get it through email and text. And then if we want to sit down, do a Google Hangout or some kind of like a setup like a Zoom meeting or whatever, I will gladly do that. But this course is, again, pretty self-directed. There's videos, there's a lot of the PowerPoints that are going to be in there. And so a lot of the stuff you're gonna talk about is like all the like you're gonna bearings and torque and clutches and that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of cool information in here, super translatable to real world stuff. But here's all the course learning outcomes here. We have also in a COVID statement in here, but just making sure that we're keeping everybody safe. And then any other additional things that we have for COVID, that stuff kind of can change as we go. So I just want to let you know about that. But again, this is the kind of stuff that you can read through. But here's a code of conduct. Some of the classroom stuff. Here's a pretty standard way to grade all of this stuff. And for the grading scale, attendance, I do have to take attendance, which is going to be, doing your, looking at your videos, watching your videos and doing your homework and turning stuff in on time. A lot of that's tied to the benefits that you get, through the grants and scholarships and that kind of stuff. So just be mindful of that. Please get there and do what you have to do. Blackboard is really how we're doing everything, and through there we'll do most of everything. But let me know if there's anything that you need. Communication email. So again, set your email, whatever you're sending me. It's really hard when some people are sending me like some Yahoo type of thing, and I can't tell who it's even from a lot of times. And so if you could please use your GRCC email there. So other than that, I just want to let you guys know I have to reserve the right to change the syllabus and change the scheduling. So please keep in touch and please check the announcements. With COVID and everything else in the world that happens on a dime, I've got to allow myself to be able to do that. So I apologize for some of that stuff, but anyway, so that's kind of the crux of that. We're going to go into the next thing here, which is we're going to go into the schedule. So the first week, all you have to do is Simple Machines, Chapter 1. So there is the video and then also the PowerPoint for that. And then the next week, is when the homework is actually due. So the homework number 1 is going to be chapters 1 through 4, and that will be done on the 9/10 by midnight. So all of these, the homework essentially is just a test at the end of it to make sure that you got your thoughts down and your learnings down on this stuff. It'll open at Saturdays at 12:30 a.m. and will close Sunday at midnight. So each and every week, you have to make sure that you get those things done. And so one thing I didn't mention on the syllabus is that it's set up for this class to have, you're going to have five of these homework assignments, which are kind of like really tests. You're going to have a project that's going to be due, and we'll go more into the project later. And you'll have one final exam as well. So you can look at the points weight on each of those from the syllabus. So, but that's pretty simple. It's a 7-week class, so it's going to go really, really quick. So stay on top of everything. But the first week is just kind of get down to chapter 1, but you can get into all the other chapters too, and be ready for that. So simple first week, but it'll be kind of a lot of chapters all at once each week. So make sure that you kind of look ahead on some of these things in the PowerPoints and the videos themselves. So then over here, that's where you're going to have the homework assignments. You're going to go in there. You're going to have you go in there and start the test. You only have 60 minutes that you can get it all done with. So it's open book, but you still got to know what you're looking for. Here's all your videos right here. And then you'll have all your class presentation stuff right here, so you can look through that as well. But again, you're going to want to know that stuff pretty well before. So exam and some of the other stuff here, we'll talk about some of this as we go. But again, that's the crux of a lot of this stuff. But that's that's going to get you a long ways. But feel free to drop a line or get on email there and let's talk about what do we need to talk about more. So anyway, again, welcome to MN-113. And I guess one thing I'd like to ask too is just be a little patient. I was an add-on right at the last part of last week, and so I'm still trying to catch up. You'll probably see a couple of mistakes here and there that I thought that were in the background and weren't. And so anyway, but I try my best. I'm trying to get on top of everything. So please, again, even let me know what I can do to further your education and help you along. But also, whatever, things that you like to see done differently, or constructive criticism is always welcome as well. So anyway, again, welcome to it. And I just hope we have a good semester, and we'll go from there. Thank you, and we'll see you later.